Namaskar. Back pain is the major cause of discomfort worldwide, especially lower back pain. Our posture, our sedentary lifestyle, nutrient deficit diet, as well as stress plays a major role in causing back pain. Back pain or discomfort can affect our daily activity. How, with the help of Yoga Asana, you can manage your back pain or alleviate more instances of discomfort of back pain. These asanas have a potential in strengthening your lower back as well as relieve pain causing due to muscle stiffness or even muscle inflammation. At our yoga institute during the orthopedic camp, these excellent asanas have shown tremendous improvement in the lower back problem. So let's begin. First asana, Hast Pad Angushthasana. Hast hand, Pad leg, Angush toe. So this hand toe pose is an excellent asana which gives you an intense stretch to the aching lower back muscles and relieve the tension in that area. It results in extreme stretch of your posterior muscles and brings suppleness to your spine. So let's understand how to do it. Lie on your mat with your feet together and hands on the sides. Now, while exhaling, lift your right leg straight up in case you have to bend little bit at the knee bend, and then finally hold the toe of that leg and then try to make that leg straight. You can hold this position for 6 seconds. While inhaling, release the grasp and bring your legs slowly down to the normal position, and simultaneously bring your hands also down. Repeat with the other leg in the same way and do this cycle at least 3 times. Hast Pad Angushthasana, wall support variation. This variation targets the lower back muscle very effectively. It will help to loosen up the knots and release the tension. Simply lying down in this position will give your back the much needed massage. Whereas the support side stretch will gently stretch as well as strengthen the muscles. So now understand. Lie down on the ground with your legs rested up at the wall. You will be forming roughly 90-degree angle. Lie down in this position for around 5 minutes. Now gently slide your right leg to the right side as much as you can go. And now bring it back. Now slide the left leg with the support of the wall to the side and then bring it back. Lastly, slide both the legs and then hold that position for some time and bring that slowly back. You will feel intense stretch while doing this. Third, Bhujangasana. Bhujang or cobra pose can work wonders for the spine. It is an intense asana, help to tone up the deep muscle, supporting the spinal column and trunk. There is a stimulation of the spinal nerve. The alternative contraction and relaxation that happens while practicing this asana helps to correct minor displacement of the vertebrae. The spine is stretched and activated in this back bend. This posture stretches your torso, shoulder, and neck as well. Now let's understand how to do it. Lie down on your stomach on the mat with the hands on the sides. Bending at the elbow, put your palm facing downwards around chest. Try to keep your elbows close to your body. Inhaling, raise your head and neck upwards towards the ceiling. Then raise your upper body only up to the navel, not more than that. Here, you have to make sure that your feet remain together and not separated. Remain in the final position, holding your breath for 6 seconds. Exhaling, come back to the normal position. Fourth posture, Vakrasana. Supta Vakrasana is an excellent asana that would help to release the stiffness of the back muscles and vertebrae. Regular practice of Supta Vakrasana helps to correct your posture as well as relieve lower back pain felt from sitting for longer hours or sitting in a slouching position. Now understand how to do it. Lie on your back with your legs fully stretched forward, toes pointing upwards and hands in T position, palms resting on the mat. Pull your knees close to your body and inhale. Now exhaling, twist your spine and legs on the right side as much as you can. Try touching the knee on the floor. Ensure that your both hands are fixed and slowly move your neck on the other side. Now inhaling, bring your legs and neck to the center. Exhaling, twist towards left side in the same manner. And now fifth, Yastikasana. Yastikasana is called even as stick pose. It looks very simple, but it is highly effective to manage the pains and aches, basically lower back pain. Slow movement and continuous focus on proper breathing can improve the emotional aspect of back pain by helping to lower stress and alleviate anxiety and depression. Now understand how to do. Lie on your back with your legs fully extended. Keep your feet together, hands on the side, palms facing downwards. Slowly inhaling, raise both your hands straight up behind on the ground. Now simultaneously stretch your both the toes downwards away from the body. You should feel that your upper body is getting stretched upwards and the lower body is getting stretched downwards. Automatically you will feel the stretch at the abdomen region. Maintain the stretched position for 6 seconds while retaining the breath. Exhaling, relax your hands and toes. But do not come back to the starting position. Instead, hold your hands above the head on the floor. Repeat the stretching of your hands upwards and toes downwards. Do this 5 times. Pause of 3 seconds in between each round is required. After completing 4 to 5 rounds, gently exhale and return to the starting position by bringing your hands to the side of the thighs and relaxing your toes. Stay in the relaxed position for 5 minutes. Sixth asana would be Pavan Muktasana. A simple Pavan Muktasana or air-free posture has a tremendous impact on the lower back muscle. Stretches the back muscles as well as hamstring muscles that get stiff if you are having an inactive lifestyle and also less mobility, which over time results in pain and discomfort. So now let's understand how to do. Lie supine at the full length on your mat. Ensure that your feet are together and hands on the side. First inhale in this position and exhaling, raise your right leg and then bring it and fold it at your knee joint and clasp your knee or shin with both the hands, interlocking at the arm. Pull the knee up to your chest and keep it firmly pressed. Here in this position, suspend your breath and maintain this posture for 6 seconds. Release your clasped hand. Inhaling, straighten your leg and bring it back to the starting position and do the same with the other leg. 7. Half standing forward bend. This wall support exercises not only gives strength to your back, shoulder and neck, but also releases stiffness instantly. It can be done anytime, even while sitting in the office. If you feel mild lower back discomfort, get up and do this asana. You will feel relieved immediately. Regular practice of this simple and effective exercise can help to stretch and tone the spine. So, let's understand the steps. Stand about 3 feet away from the wall or the window with your feet a little apart. You can also practice this exercise by taking the support of chair or table. Bend your hip to touch the wall ahead, the upper body horizontal and parallel to the ground. Keep your back and legs straight. Stay there for 2 to 3 minutes. Repeat 5 times. It will give a good stretch to the entire lower back muscles of your body. Practice these asanas irrespective of mild or very bad lower back pain. Even if you don't have any discomfort or pain, ensure that you take out 10 to 15 minutes of your day to do these stretches. This would strengthen your lower back muscles and avoid future pain. Back pain is also influenced by your ideas and emotions. Yoga is a complete way to relieve pain and improve strength while finding peace of mind. It promotes mind, body, emotional balance, health, and well being. So, stay dedicated to your practice along with a healthy lifestyle which should be free from tension, anxiety, worry, and that would keep you fit, active, and happy. Namaskar.